So this is a 4M51 Mitsubishi engine. Just almost done with the timing. So I'll just show you uh, how you're supposed to do it, like how you link the gear marks on the timing. So that's the crankshaft, that's the main drive, oil pump, that's the idle gear. Also another idle gear, this one which links to another gear which goes now to the camshafts, which is not yet installed. So on these gears, I'll show you the marks. And the marks, you see, that's the crankshaft. Check out these ones. From there, you see, there's a 1. Then there's also another. That's a 9 or 6. There's a 6, of course. So you link these two. Then on the other gear, you can see there's 2 1s, that one and that one. Also inside there, you can see there are 2 numbers. Those 2 numbers inside there. So you link this number in between that's now the oil pump timing on the from the crankshaft. So you see this one meshes in between the other gear. Then on the other hand, the idle gear, there the one links in between there, the 2 ones. Then on the other side, there's this balance shaft. Also on the balance shaft, you see there are 2 7s. On the oil pump, which is this one, there are 2 7s, this one and that one. So you link the balance shaft there. This 1 7 links in between. Also in here, there, those 2. You can see those 2 numbers there. Okay, those 2 numbers. So there's like a 2 inside as well. You link it in between. When you come down, there's also those 2 numbers, which is this 4 4. There are 2 4 4s. So you link this 4 from this gear in between, just that you can see it clear. This gear